Maligayang bagong taon sa ating lahat. Happy New Year! Today is the first day of year 2025. But today guys, dito sa India, hindi mo masyadong ma-feel yung holiday season. Hindi sila nakaka-happy actually. Kasi meron pa rin sila ni Daddy pasok sa office and si Mishka merong pasok sa school. January 1, kabubukas ng bagong taon, pero may pasok sila sa school. Merong ibang mga schools dito sa India na walang pasok yung mga estudyante. Pero kina Mishka, meron silang pasok today. And hindi sila naka-uniform today. Yung announcement last night is magsuot sila ng colorful dress. Kasi magse-celebrate sila ng New Year sa school. So I think mag-enjoy yung mga kids kahit paano dun sa school. Kasi meron silang mga pa-games. And because last night, hindi kami dito nag-celebrate ng New Year sa bahay, yung mga hinanda ko, nalulutuin sana namin. Para kahapon, lulutuin na lang natin ngayon. So, ito yung aming inasal, chicken inasal, chicken barbecue. Ngayon na lang, para sa tanghalian ko lulutuin. Air fryer ko lang siya. First time ko chicken inasal sa air fryer. Last time kasi sa pan lang, kasi gusto ko yung may, alam mo yung may konting gravy. Pero this time, itry talaga natin yung inasal talaga. Na dry, na medyo sunog-sunog yung balat. So, we'll see how it will turn out later. Isa pa pala. Wait lang. Hintay lang. Let's see. Yung kalalabasan niya. 40 minutes. Okay. Ano pa lang naman? 12:03. May time pa. Balik na rin natin. Para yung kabilang side, maluto din siya. O, diba? Balik-balik ko yung nasa taas. Lalagay ko naman siya sa baba. Naamoy ko na guys. Yung amoy ng lechon. Ayan silang hand paint. Where's your name, love? Where's your name?
Maybe this is.
Is that your name, oh? Miska. I'm not sure if this is hers. Is that yours? Love that this one? Okay, bye! Okay. Okay. One only, love.
One is for me.
One is for
One is for you.
okay. Enough.
One for Daddy.
Okay. Let's go now, it's hot.
No, this is too small.
Yeah, small is for you. Oh, let's go.
It's small.
Let's go now.
It's small for you.
Thank you. Oi!
It's okay, Mommy.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, baby.
The one is for me.
Come na. She is back. So, nabalaan ko sa kanya kanina yung pasta. Let's see if naubos pa. Pasta and orange. Naubos yung orange, yung pasta hindi naubos. You did not eat your love? Did you eat? What is there? Mom gave you cake or no?
Yes.
There's cake?
Yes, I eat this jelly.
You eat it already?
Mommy?
Meron pala silang pa-cake sa school. Okay. Good job.
Mommy?
Yeah. You want to eat to draw or you want to eat the barbecue now?
I want to
You want to color?
make colors in my hands.
Why?
Because I like making those in my hands. Mommy, give me water, please.
You're thirsty. Did you play there in school, Lablab? No?
What?
Is it water na?
I said what to paint.
Water for painting. Drink water first because it's hot outside.
Open, please.
Where's your book?
I want to make those in my hands. Okay.
Okay. Tingnan niyo, ang ginawa niya sa kanyang kamay. Gumawa siya ng rose. That's nice, baby.
One more.
Ah, okay. Mom did that on your hand? Ah, ginaya-gaya niya yung ginawa daw ng teacher niya kanina. Oh, wow, princess. That's why kumuha siya ng bulaklak kanina kasi may plano siyang gawin.
1, 2.
Oh, good job,
Now
princess.
you told mommy.
Okay. Wow. Kami na.
No. No.
Long, make it little long.
Okay.
Oh, good job, princess. I also have my flower
There's one
painted
more.
by Mimi. One only lang left. One is
Last
enough.
one.
You're so good. Oh, enough? Long, long, little long. Long. Oh, thank you.
Now.
I love it. I love my flowers. Wow, chicken barbecue talaga siya.
Mommy.
Mishi, look.
Mommy.
Wow, that's nice. Maghanda tayo ng sausawan, kamatis, cucumber, and sibuyas. The other day lang ata, fried fish kami. And si Abby yung nag-request sa akin na gawin mo yung sausawan. Nasasanay na siya sa sausawan natin na soy sauce, merong lemon or vinegar. Yummy. Meron na rin akong nakahanda na sausawan namin. And
Mommy,
salad.
what that t-shirt?
You can eat this.
How about the t-shirt?
Daddy will come in a while. You eat cucumber also and tomato. Ito din. Salad. It's chicken drumstick. Yeah, because it's like a drum.
Was I play with drum?
Do you know in Philippines we call this chicken inasal?
Yeah.
Inasal. Say
Yeah.
inasal.
In the south.
Yes, chicken inasal. Eat your rice also, Poching. Yum. Maybe that's bone. You just eat the meat. Yum. Slowly lang, I eat nicely.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same
Dalawang
time.
chicken.
It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh my. You're mine, you're mine, mine, you're mine, oh my, mine. In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your
Bigyan natin ng snacks yung bata. Yung nabili natin na hindi naman naluto nung New Year. Stuck inside. Ang laki ng bun. This is such a big bun.
I want them know what calorie, guys.
Now she's coloring, guys.
Calorie, the total.
A turtle. Meron kaming nabili na additional na libro, coloring book para sa kanya. And ang ganda kasi tingnan nyo guys, ang kapal. 365 coloring books. Tapos nabili lang namin siya ng 199. May nadaanan kami na store dito. Ito ngayon yung kanyang favorite. Ang galing niyang mag-color na ngayon, tingnan nyo. Ginagaya talaga niya kung ano yung sa picture.
I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh my.
The tail also is green.
In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you, nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black. When you look at me like that, look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby.
Ayaw niya ng ketchup, ayaw niya ng mayonnaise. So, ito lang yung kanyang burger. Veggie burger. Customer, customer.
Yes.
Here's your burger. Are you sure you don't want to put ketchup?
No.
Okay.
No, Uncle, I don't want to get that. Mommy.
Yeah.
I get Parmesan.
Yes. Did you order burger?
Yes.
Okay. Finish your color and then you eat your burger.
No, I will still colors only 10 minutes.
Okay, color.
Almost.
Almost. Then I will check your color, okay?
Okay, Mom.
If you did it correctly.
I know. Let's see who's going to be a winner.
Okay. Who will be the winner?
Me, Mom.
Okay.
Finish, Mom.
Let me check. Oh, the mouth of the turtle is not colored properly. There are some more white spaces. You have to color white spaces. Don't leave white spaces. The neck. Good job. Very good. Tingnan nyo. Tapos yung first page na guys, ang galing din niya. Tapos ito din, yung mga
This.
gamit niya, watercolor lang to.
I'm doing
Ang galing niya, ginagaya niya talaga. I'll show them first this first page. Ang galing niya, diba? Yung car. Hindi na ako nagluto ng para sa aming hapunan, guys. Kasi may chicken pa na natira. Tapos, parang niluto ko siya ulit. Ginawa ko siya parang adobo. Next time, sa pan na lang talaga ako magluluto. Kasi, mas masarap sa pan. Tapos, nalalagay ko pa yung marinade. So, na-absorb na talaga yung lasa. Kaya hindi ko feel yung sa air fryer. So, niluto ko siya ulit. So, yun yung ulam ni Mishka. And then, ibibake natin itong binili kong ready to cook na pizza. Yung instead na ihahanda namin kahapon para sa pagsalubong ng bagong taon, ngayon na lang namin ihahanda. Meron pa kaming pasta. Ako lang naman yung kumain nun. Tapos si Mishka kahapon. Ano ba yung opening? Ah, okay. Mimi, look! Come here! Mishi! Mishi, come! Come! Look! Pizza. Stand there. And this one is yours. This one is for mommy. Open it. Take it out. We'll have to bake this.
It's soft.
It's soft. Yes, it's not cooked yet. See?
It's clay.
It's not play. Kailangan lang natin to i-assemble ulit. Tingnan natin mamaya if masarap yung lasa nito. Yung margarita, para kay Mishka. And ayaw niya ng chicken, ng gulay sa kanyang pizza. So, pag order ko ng pizza para sa kanya, yung plain lang talaga na cheese. Margarita. The instruction is set temperature at 200. It's buy one, get one. 199.
100 for one.
And if you get this one in Domino's, then this margarita is like 120.
Small size is smaller than this one. Size is smaller. It's not this big.
This is okay. 100. This one is paneer.
Mm-hmm.
Ilagyan ko ng plato yung sa ilalim niya para pag malaglag yung cheese, may sasalo. Ang bango ng bell pepper, yung red. Aamoy mo talaga siya. Arrange natin para gumanda yung ating pizza. Lagay ko na yung seasoning niya. Let's see. So, yan guys. 5 minutes lang. I think this is enough. This is enough. Enough na ba yan? Or ilipat ko muna ito sa taas. Then 2 minutes. So ito pa yung aking pasta guys. So hindi siya naubos talaga. So iinitin ko lang to and dagdagan ng cheese. Daddy, are you going to eat pasta? Because I'm reheating. Si Daddy naman yung kanyang ginawa ng artwork. Ang kamay niya. Oh. Mimi, go na. Wash your hands na. We're going to eat pizza.
No.
You will not eat pizza? Mimi will not eat her pizza.
What?
She said she don't like. Sit here. Want ketchup?
Come, sit.
I'll sit here with Mishka.
Cheers, Mishka.
Cheers. I'll eat this.
Cheers.
Cheers! Happy New Year! Our New Year celebration. It has red chip. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Good?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And that is my hobby.
Yes, this is your party. Happy birthday, Mimi.
Hey, you got present.
Present for you?
Yes. You got a doll for me.
A dog for you.
When you look at me like that, and even when I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you, nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black. When you look at me like that, look at you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine.